6点做成。
南极熊正在呢2020年德国的 Formnext 3.0年展会上看到了一个用 FDM 的线材来打印铝合金材料的一个公司啊，他们的产品我们先看看他们的产品，铝合金的 FDM 打印的。哇，这个是经过机架处理之后的，这个呢是它原始打印的时候它本身就是这样，这个 FDM 的纹理非常清晰。他们用的材料的话，就是可以再看看他们其他打印的式样件。哦，哇，看，用铝合金打印的，非常的轻啊。你们的 FDM 的那个，对，就农场可以打。
这个可能不一定，要用他们的设备啊。
对。
用他们的设备。So you sell the machine, and your filament can suitable for other FF 3D printer like bamboo lamp.
No, it is not with the polymer. It is with the
You need the laser?
aluminum wire. It's metal 3D printing.
Oh, metal. Okay.
Yeah, it's not the plastic.
Metal DD.
Okay.
The concept is same as FDM, but we are using the aluminum wire instead of polymer.
Yeah, we are printing and the media from China. We have over 800,000 followers, and we cooperate with Frankfurt Holder. They invite us to take videos and promote manufacturing. We will post the video on our website.
Yeah.
If customer need it, we will find you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
看看里面那些结构。
So could you introduce this machine
Yeah.
to the customers?
Yeah.
Yes. As I said, the concept is same as the FDM, but instead of the polymer, we are using the aluminum wire. Yeah. If you show also, I will bring the. Yeah. That's the full concept. The wire is fed into the crucible, is melted, and then extruded on the previous layer or on the substrate. The nozzle should be heated up to the 900, 850. The substrate also should be heated up to 500.
对，大概这里呢是有
900多度
，800-900度，对吧？然后呢就可以把这个铝合金把它融化掉了。
So the bed temperature is
500. Yeah.
500.
Yeah.
平台温度有500度。
平台温度对500度，那就可以
And
挤出来。
we can print Terag with different widths and different height based on the diameter of the nozzle. If we change the nozzle diameter, we can print a layer with the different dimensions.
Okay, different layers.
Yeah.
Okay. So where are you from?
We based in Belgium.
Belgium.
Belgium in Ghent. Yeah.
So is this your female?
Yes. Yeah. We are using the normal welding wire. It's very cheap. I think 10 euro per kilogram.
10 euro.
Yeah. Compared to powder, is much cheaper. Yeah.
Wow.
It is with diameter of 1.2 millimeter.
1.2.
Yeah.
The diameter.
Yeah.
Okay, diameter.
这铝合金的线材是很便宜。
Okay, so this material only suitable for this machine.
We can use the different aluminum alloys. We are using aluminum 4043 and aluminum 6061.
Okay.
These two alloys we are using right now.
I mean, this material only for your machine, not other machine.
Actually, that one is the normal welding wire. It can be used for the welding.
Okay, because this need a very high temperature. Yes, 950 temperature, and the bed temperature is 500.
Yeah.
So I think this is suitable only for your machine.
For the metal, 3D printer.
So you provide you sell this machine.
Yes,
and sell.
Also, we are printed part with some business case.
You provide 3D printing
yes,
service.
Yeah, both of them. Yeah.
Okay.
This name.
This name.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's based in Belgium. Yeah.
Valcun.
Valcun. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.